who you are and what you do in one sentence.
My name is Paula Pant, and I'm the host of the Afford Anything podcast.
I am Joe Saul-Sehy, creator and co-host of the Stacking Benjamin Show.
My name is Whitney Bonds, and I'm a content creator.
I'm Jillian Johnsrud, and I'm the author of Retire Often.
What does money mean to you?
Freedom.
It's a tool.
Purity.
Energy. Time freedom.
What's your favorite money book?
The Psychology of Money.
Put your money out and get invested.
Die with zero.
Your money or your life.
10x is easier than 2x.
Young people should stop spending money on blank and then start investing in blank.
Young people should stop investing in...
Hello and welcome to the Compounding Project podcast, where we talk about taking small steps to become healthy, wealthy, and wise. I'm your host Satish Gajula, and this episode is all about wealth, especially money mindset. I recently attended FinCon conference, which is the ultimate conference for financial creators, entrepreneurs, and money experts. While I was there, I spoke with 25 amazing guests from content creators to multimillionaires and keynote speakers. I asked them rapid fire questions about money, investing, favorite books, and common money myths. This episode is a special compilation of all those conversations. I hope you enjoyed. Can you tell me who you are and what you do in one sentence?
My name is Paula Pant, and I'm the host of the Afford Anything podcast.
I'm JC Rodriguez. I talk to people about how to live a frugal, rich life.
I am Joe Saul-Sehy, the creator and co-host of the Stacking Benjamin Show.
I'm Justin David Carl. I'm the founder of Fit Rich Life.
I teach individual investors how to analyze businesses so they can invest with confidence.
My name is Jill. This is Jen. We're the co-hosts of the Frugal Friends podcast, and we teach people how to spend better.
My name is Cody Berman, and I teach people how to create side hustles to reach financial freedom.
I'm Jamie Trull. I'm a CPA, profit strategist, and financial literacy coach.
I'm Nick Loper from the Side Hustle Show, where we help people make money outside of their day jobs.
I'm Doug Cunnington, and I have a couple podcasts and YouTube channels.
What does money mean to you?
It is the tool that you use in order to enable the type of life that you want.
For me, financial freedom means time freedom.
Energy and freedom.
Money is a tool to achieve freedom.
For me, for money, is to use it as a tool to create the life that I really want.
It's a tool to improve your life.
Money means freedom.
Where do you invest your money?
Index funds, rental properties, and privately held businesses.
I invest into myself first and foremost, into like my skills, business, education, going to conferences like this, boring old index funds, mutual funds.
In just wide body index fund.
A total U.S. stock market.
Primarily individual stocks.
I personally invest my money in the stock market, real estate, and relationships. That has probably had the best return on investment.
The stock market in the form of index funds, and then also some in real estate.
Retirement accounts, ETFs.
Stocks or index funds, a little bit of real estate, a little bit of Bitcoin.
VTSAX, and then like a total bond, similar index fund.
What's the biggest financial mistake in your life?
Thinking too small and being too frugal.
Moved without finding a new tenant for our old apartment, and so you got to pay like 60 days of rent and then like a termination fee, which is another 2 times the rent. So
my biggest financial mistake was that I thought the rules of the universe did not apply to me. That if I just made more money, I could outrun my bad financial habits, which was not true.
Invested in a real estate deal, about $10,000, and it was a total scam, and I lost all $10,000.
From a personal finances perspective, I've actually never made a massive financial mistake.
Thinking that by putting money into the brokerage account, it would somehow start multiplying, and it didn't.
I was spending all of my hard-earned money on my very first car, junior year of high school.
Waiting to be generous.
Buying a California condo at the peak and then short selling it a few years later.
Buying a house at the height of the market.
What's a common money myth that you want to debunk today?
credit score is really just a way to see how good you are at getting debt, paying off debt, but it's not a real score on your total financial health.
The biggest thing is that it takes discipline. That is a lie. It doesn't take discipline. It actually takes automation.
If you come from a poor family, that you cannot become very wealthy and financially free.
That the stock market is risky. The stock market is an incredibly reliable wealth creation machine.
That you have to know a lot about money in order to be successful with money.
Investing is not gambling. If you invest for the long term, the stock market, the real estate market, they do go up.
That money doesn't buy happiness.
That your earning power ends at 5 o'clock when you clock out of your day job.
People get roped in. That frugality is the perfect answer all the time moving forward.
What's one money book that has significantly impacted your financial journey?
The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel.
Atomic Habits by James Clear.
Is this book called Happy Money by a guy named Ken Honda.
J.L. Collins' The Simple Path to Wealth.
It's Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki.
Buy What You Love Without Going Broke by us, the Frugal Friends.
The The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss.
Smart Women Finish Rich by David Bach.
Rich Dad Poor Dad was pretty influential for me.
Die with Zero really impacted us.
What's your favorite money hack or life hack?
Favorite money hack is what I call the anti-budget, which is where you pull your savings off the top first. And by savings, I'm referring to anything that improves your net worth. So that could be debt payoff, it could be contributions to a retirement account, it could be literal savings in a savings account. Figure out what proportion you want to save, pull it off the top first, and then whatever is left over, you spend freely. So it's the anti-budget because it doesn't demand excruciating line item, like the calorie counting equivalent of budgeting. You don't need to worry about how much is going to toothpaste versus Taylor Swift tickets.
Merging bank accounts with your spouse. Every money decision we make is a unified decision. It also simplifies things when it comes to budgeting. We see all our income go into one place. We see all our expenses come out of one account, and it makes the budgeting process way easier.
My favorite money hack clearly is automation.
Tracking your savings rate.
I have a budgeting app that shows my transactions in a widget on my phone in real time, keep up with my transactions.
Travel hacking, using credit card rewards to travel around the globe.
Reinvesting into my own business.
30-day waiting period. You have a discretionary purchase that you're looking at making. You set yourself a calendar reminder for 30 days out. And if you still want it after 30 days, that's totally fine. But if you find that you have lived a perfectly happy existence without that thing in your life, you might say, maybe I don't really need that.
I'll buy the discount meat because it's about to expire in like 1 to 2 days. Cook it that day, and I'm getting like great.
What's your favorite money quote of all time?
Debt is dumb, cash is king, Papa Dave.
There's a great quote that I like, feel the fear but do it anyway. And I have to remind myself of that all the time.
What gets measured gets managed.
Time in the market is more powerful than timing the market.
Live like nobody else today so you can live like nobody else tomorrow.
What do you wish you had done a year ago? And go do that.
If I don't take action, tomorrow is going to look like today.
If somebody wants to start their financial independence journey, what one small step would you recommend them take?
Learn about financial psychology, learn about the money mindset, because improving your relationship with money, your emotional relationship with money, is, I think, the foundational element of this money journey.
Most people will bury their head under the sand, never check their bank statements, not look at their overall expenses. I think it's important for you to first see how you're spending and then decide if you need to cut things out or if you need to invest more money into different things as well too.
First thing, automate something. Save just a little bit more than you think that you can.
Link up financial accounts and track your income, your expenses, and ultimately your savings rate.
If you're interested in changing your life, step 1 is always the same. Educate yourself, and it's never been easier to do that.
Look into what you're currently spending on.
Start investing and make that financial future work for you.
Really spend your time thinking about what you can build that's going to help you into the future.
Go make $1.
Find someone who's on the path ahead of you, and you could learn from them through their experience.
Last question, fill in the blanks. Young people should stop spending money on blank and start investing in blank.
I would never tell anybody to stop spending money on anything other than things you don't care about, right? Because if you care about something, and it's not my place to tell you what to care about. Some of you care deeply about scuba diving. Some of you care deeply about Pokemon cards, right? Some of you care deeply about whatever your passions are. And if that is a passion of yours, spend on it. Spend with abandon, spend freely, as long as you are saving adequately. And to start investing in index funds and rental properties.
Klarna and any buy now, pay later apps. And young people need to start investing into their skills and their network.
Invest your money in things that are going to pay more. Stop spending money on liabilities.
Fancy cars, index funds.
Young people should stop investing in cryptocurrencies and start investing in their own financial education.
Young people should stop spending money on impulse purchases and should start investing in relationships.
Stop spending money on expensive rent and start investing in things like index funds.
Young people should stop spending money on trying to look successful and start spending money on actually becoming successful.
Stop spending money on cars and start investing in yourself.
People should stop spending on things that they're trying to buy to impress other people. Invest in whatever you do care about.
Thanks for your time.
Oh, thank you so much.
Of course, man. This is fun.
Thanks a ton, man.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me on.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for your...
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thanks, man.
Thank you so much for watching or listening. If you enjoyed this episode, can you do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button? If you like this episode, then you might enjoy this episode, which links in with some of the stuff we talked today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.